Hello guys, this is our 3-day talk and we are here to introduce ourselves for getting our communication improved over time. So let's begin with Aman sir.
Hello everyone, I am Aman Madhukar from Mirzapur. Currently I am studying in HBTU Kanpur. Currently I am in a final year in computer science branch. My skill includes React.js, JavaScript. Basically I am a front-end developer and prefer C++ as my programming language. My current CGPA is 7.9 and my hobby includes playing table tennis and chess. Thank you.
Very well.
Now Sudhanshu will introduce yourself.
Hello everyone. My name is Sudhanshu Maurya, and I'm also from Mirzapur, and currently I'm pursuing my BTech. I am in final year, and my branch is information technology. And the skills which I like Aman Bhai, I am also a front end developer, and in web I done the React JS, and for mobile I am currently working on Flutter, and my hobbies are reading books and watching random videos on YouTube, and that's all. Thank you so much. And now I would like to call Akash Bhai to introduce himself. So Akash, please.
Yeah. Hello everyone. I am Akash Babu and I am from Oriya and currently I am pursuing in BTech final year and my current CGPA is 7.1 and I have done front-end development in which I learned CSS, JavaScript, HTML, and also I have completed some front-end framework. And currently, I am running with the backend part, and I mostly prefer C++ for problem solving, and that's it. And my hobbies are
लबाई तुमको ना वो धुलना
watching
पड़ेगा।
movies,
लबाई
and currently I started
लबाई
also reading
है
books.
क्या?
It's like it's like very minor hobby of mine. Yeah, that's it. Hold on, guys. गिलास बाहर है एक जंगले पे के पास बाहर
Akash, you should mute yourself. Then you have
Don't
to
worry,
speak.
guys. Just have some rest, fun in between the talk. So, I would like to request Aman sir to give some kind of problem or some kind of suggest solution for today's talk so that we can
Aman bhai, please present
begin
your
with
screen.
our talk. Yeah.
Okay, today I am trying to explain you the today's GFG problem. Let me present my screen.
Okay, Aman sir. Mr. Sudhanshu,
Yes, sir.
turn off your mic so that the voice of Aman sir will become clear.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah. I got.
Okay. So today's problem stating that we are given a string consisting of a lowercase English alphabet, and the task is to find the number of distinct subsequences of string. So we have to count. First, we have to find all the subsequence possible for the given string, and we have to count the distinct subsequences.
Okay.
Like for example, GFG is given as a string. Let me show you. GFG is a string.
Okay.
So possible subsequences are the empty string, then G and F, G, then GF, FG, sorry, FG, then GFG,
And
right?
G Aman bhai. G and G.
GG and G.
Yeah.
These are the 8 possible subsequences for the given string GFG.
Mm.
In here we can see that this is the distinct, this G, F is repeat, sorry, F should not be here. G only, then
Yeah.
we have 7 subsequences which are distinct. The G is the only one which is repeated,
Repeated.
and all the other subsequences are unique.
Unit.
So
Okay.
our answer should be 7.
Mm.
Brute force for this problem is simply we have to generate all the possible subsequences of the given string and
Okay.
store in the any map or set,
Mm.
so that the only we have only unique subsequences, and we simply return the
Mm.
size of that size of the set,
Uh,
right? Now let me code the brute force.
okay.
First I will initialize a set data structure which will store a string, and its name is st, and a call a function which will get the all the subsequences in the set. I have to pass the string s and the set st, and it will give me the all possible subsequences in the set. So I
Okay.
have to simply return the size of that set.
Set dot size.
Now I have to complete this function get string subsequences. So I have to generate all the possible subsequences. I'm going to try out the way the pick and non-pick method, which
Mm.
means for every index of the string, I have two options. Either I can pick that character, or
Mm.
either I can leave that character.
Okay.
So I'm going to use that pick and non-pick method. I need one more variable, which is the size of the set, the size of the string, equal as dot length.
Okay.
And the dummy you can say temporary str, which will create the all the string. The base case of
Aman,
this,
Aman, you should write n there. Int n.
yes, this is, sorry for that, int n. Okay. Now the base case will be when our the temporary string will done with all the indexes, means the current index. I have also initialized the index, temporary index. When the index become the size of the, when the index is reached as the last index of the string, then we are done with it, and we can store this string into the set. Insert the str.
Mm.
So I have to take one more variable, which is will be the index, which pointing to the current index which we are going to take or leave.
Mm. This is the base condition.
And the 0, we will start from the 0.
Mm.
When we include this, then also I have to return. So I will do this like this. Now we have two conditions. That either the given index, I can pick that index or I can leave that index.
Mm.
So for let's say we are currently at index 0. I'm trying to pick it up, then I have to call it get sub. String will be the same, st is same, size will remain same. str is now include str plus the s of that index if I am taking that index,
Mm.
and we will increment our index by 1. And if
Okay.
I'm leaving the character at index id,
Mm-hmm.
then this will remain same, and we simply
Pass
don't take
the
it
str
and increment the index.
index. Okay. We are just ready to go.
That's all. And yeah, that's it. I hope this should work.
Compile them by
Let me compile it. Sorry, where it is. st dot size should be st dot size. Yeah, now this is working fine. Let me give a custom input like for
triple G. Aman, Aman. Uh,
triple G. Okay,
as it was the discussed given there. Before, yeah, it's working.
it's working. Now the time complexity of this solution is exponential.
Hmm.
Means let's say the length of the string is n, then the time complexity is 2 to the power n, because for every character we have two possibilities.
Hmm.
So either we can take it or leave that character. So the for n characters we have 2 to the power n possibilities. So, and for in worst case, if consider all the subsequences are unique,
Hmm.
then we have to store all the subsequences in the set. Then the time space complexity is also 2 to the power n.
Hmm.
So both are exponential. So we have to require, since the constraint is given as 10 to the power 5, it is not a feasible solution. We have to optimize the solution by the using of dynamic programming. DP is not clear right now. I will discuss that later.
Okay.
Now I am done with my presentation.
Hmm. Now Akash Bhai will tell us about cadence algorithm. And Akash Bhai, please present your screen and tell us about.
Okay.
Unmute yourself, Akash.
Okay.
Unmute yourself, Akash.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Okay. Now let me explain the problem statement.
Hmm.
Here we are given with an array and the number of elements in the array. N is the number of element in array, and array is given like this. In this, we have to find the sub array which has the maximum sum, and we have to return its sum. As this example explains,
Hmm.
first of all, we have to start with first index, and we add up to the next index value
Hmm.
and check the max sum is getting larger than previous sum. Firstly, we also store the index for first index value to the sum to which we can compare our sum variable. Like in this code, we would like to explain in this code. We first start with index 0 and store its value in some variable. Okay. Then we again declare an result variable in which we store some value, update some value to result variable. And we now iterate from first index to last index in array through while loop. And if the sum of the current variable is not variable, if the sum of the current sum variable is greater than 0, then we add up the next element to previous sum and increase index by 1. And if the sum is less than or equal to 0, then we simply replace the index value to the sum variable and increase its index. And if the sum is greater than result, then we update the sum into result variable, and at last we print the result or return its result.
Okay.
Did you got it?
Yeah, I
Yes.
got it. We got it.
I
Now,
am not
now,
that much capable of efficiently explaining the problem. That's why I got some type kind of little
okay, it's okay. It's
pauses in between.
no,
Yes.
no one is perfect, Akash bhai. Everyone is trying to,
Yeah.
nor we are very perfect. Everyone is trying
Yeah.
and learning. The
It is.
purpose, the purpose is not to
It is just the
explain,
beginning.
explain very in a very good way. The purpose is to improve ourselves, to improve every day.
Okay. Let first Sudhanshu sir give your presentation. That's after that I will present it again. Okay.
What
Just
I
I
what
am
Okay,
yeah.
okay. I will solve the same problem. I have the optimized approach, the DP approach. I already solved, and what I can do, I can explain that problem. Okay. So,
Okay.
in a moment, I will present my screen and show you the code, and I'm trying to explain how it works. Okay, so I'm presenting my screen. Okay, okay. Wait a minute. Okay. So, hmm. So is my screen is visible?
Yes, it is visible.
So yeah, basically I have written the code in Java. So you guys have to, uh, if there is any problem, you can ask me about related to syntax. So what I have done in the in DP, if you see the problem, if you see the problem there, what I have done for length 0. If we have the index of length 0, then then the subsequences is 1. Basically the formula which is used. And now I want you, Akash, to conclude the session. And Akash bhai, here you go.
Yeah, guys. Today's session was, I think, very good for our third day talk, and we would like to continue it and improve it over time. And that day we will get through days. Yes, and that's it. Anyone who want to add up something, and then please welcome.
Yeah, comment section is open for you guys. If you have any suggestion, put it in the comment section.
Yeah, guys, you can suggest your suggestions in
Yeah,
comment box.
comment box is open to you. I We would like to have your suggestions.
it is not clear, you can explain any other problem